Hi, I'm Fontaine Foxworth. Welcome to Mobile App Analytics Fundamentals on Analytics Academy. When you have a mobile app, it's important to collect accurate data so you can understand how users found your app, how they interact with it once they install it, and which users become valuable customers. Google Analytics for mobile apps can help you collect and analyze app data in order to answer questions like, how many total and active users have downloaded the app? How do users navigate through the app? And what features do they use? Which marketing generates the most valuable users? And are there any technical issues that may prevent users from engaging with the app? In this course, we'll help you understand what data is useful for measuring app performance, which Google tools can collect that data, and how to interpret that data to better market and monetize your app. As an example, we'll use a fictional outdoor recreation and sporting goods company called The Great Outdoors that has an app called Go Fish. Go Fish is a mobile game in which players use virtual fishing equipment like lures, bait, and fishing poles to try to catch different fish on each level of the game. This store will help illustrate some of the challenges of app marketing and some of the solutions Google tools can provide. It's important to note that Go Fish represents only an example of analytics for mobile app tracking. You'll need to take what you learn here and apply it to your own app goals. We're really excited to bring you the latest course in the Analytics Academy. So let's get started with some of the tools you can use to understand your mobile app usage. There are several tools that can help you promote and measure your app. Google AdWords and AdMob allow you to advertise on websites and other mobile apps. Marketplaces like Google Play or the App Store offer a destination for ads where users can learn about and download your app. And Google Analytics lets you measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, as well as user engagement with your app, by providing a centralized platform for data collection, reporting, and analysis. Let's look at these tools in more detail. When it comes to promotion, Google AdWords lets you advertise on the Google search page and on the Google Display Network, a group of over 1 million websites, videos, and apps. AdWords can be a useful tool for getting your app in front of users who may be interested in it. You can use AdMob to promote your app as well, by advertising your app in other developers' apps. But you can also use AdMob as a publisher by hosting ads for other businesses within your app to generate revenue. You'll often use ads to direct users to an app marketplace, which hosts paid and free apps for downloading. Marketplaces such as the App Store or Google Play collect valuable data about how many users download your app and where they came from. This can help you understand whether users find your app organically or from your ad campaigns, which campaigns drive users to your app, and how to adjust your marketing spend accordingly. You can also use this data to see where users drop off between viewing your app in a marketplace, installing it, and actually opening the app. Google Analytics lets you combine marketing data from AdWords, AdMob, and app marketplaces with behavioral data about how users engage with your app. This data can offer insights about your audience to help you better target your ads. By including analytics tracking code in your app, you can collect data about each user interaction during the time they're actively using the app. This is referred to as a session. Google Analytics then processes and organizes the data from each session to create various reports about your users' behavior. You can access these reports directly in Google Analytics, but we recommend using analytics reports inside of AdMob. These are the same reports with simplified navigation for mobile app developers. Using all of these tools together can help you promote your app to new users, measure user behavior, and better understand the performance of your marketing and advertising. Mobile app developers generally rely on 3 kinds of revenue streams to monetize their apps: paid app downloads, in-app purchases including subscriptions, and in-app ads. Paid app downloads generate income by charging users a one-time fee to download an app. This is usually used for apps such as games or utilities that offer a unique service like photo editing or file hosting. But because users are more likely to download apps if they're free, developers often use a freemium model that lets users download an app at no cost, then offer paid upgrades to premium versions with more features. This might be a one-time fee or paid for on a subscription basis. Another monetization strategy is selling goods and services directly through in-app purchases. This could include peer-to-peer selling, or selling a completely virtual product like extra lives in a game or special features in an app. You could also charge users for specific services like live feed data for news or access to a catalog of media. Additionally, you could sell real-world goods through your app using a traditional e-commerce store. Similar to websites, you can also generate revenue by using AdMob to display ads inside your app. The most common type of in-app ads are banner ads, which overlay your app in a designated screen area. These could be your own house ads advertising more of your own apps, or ads from other businesses that earn you revenue every time a user clicks on them or installs the app. You could also use interstitial ads, which appear as full-screen pop-ups at the entry or exit points of your app, or between levels. Interstitial ads can be visually striking, incorporating images, videos, and links to other websites, but these may disrupt the app experience more than regular banner ads. Google Analytics data can help you decide which combination of monetization models is right for your business.